Water damage restoration is the most profitable vertical in the entire restoration industry. How do I know? Guys, it allowed me to personally go from living in this dumpy rental house to moving into this 5,100 square foot, almost $2 million home within 5 years. What did I learn? We solved two big things: how to get water damage jobs consistently, and then how to get paid. Guys, if you struggle getting jobs, getting paid, or you're just not growing as quickly as you want to, and if you want to learn from somebody that's made millions of dollars doing the very thing that you're trying to do, then I've got a very special offer for you. Guys, we've got a 30-day program where I would love to come in and mentor you and then give you some of the best actionable things that we did at my company over the next 30 days. Take a look at what CJ said. He was one of our clients that came in as a startup. And guys, here he is saying that he's getting over $50,000 a week in referrals from plumbers. 50 grand. Or take a look at what Bentley says. Bentley came to town. He spent 2 days with me. He says, hey, just want to let you know we made a $100,000 return from the time that we spent with you. Guys, here's what I can tell you. When we figured this stuff out, it changed my life. I've got testimonies from guys just like this. If you want to grow your restoration company, this stuff works. Here's what you need to do next. Somewhere around me, there's a button. Go put in your information. We hop on a 20-minute call. We are going to need to verify that you do have a restoration company and that you're not an adjuster. If you don't have a restoration company, this is not for you. You will have to verify that you have a company and that you're not an adjuster. We will ask you that on the call. So, if that sounds good, go put in your information. We'll see you on the next page.